One of the things that we do very well in schools is tell kids what they're doing wrong versus telling kids what they should be doing. Now, I'm not trying to sell a world where everything you only recognize the positive, don't recognize the negative, because there's negatives out there and people need to know that that's not the way you behave. But we often don't tell kids what they should be doing. Instead of saying, hey, stop running, we should say, walk. So instead of saying, don't come in late, don't come in early, and don't look at the clock, what are we really saying? Be on time. It's that simple. What's the expectation? So we're good with the no's, but oftentimes we lose track of what we might want to be really putting out there. So instead of having this many rules, what I can't stand is we went through this kind of place where, remember we sat down and the kids had to develop the rules for the class? And that's nice, but I think it's good for expectations to have a discussion about how we treat each other, how we think we should behave in the classroom, and all that kind of stuff. But really, it is our job to say, this is what the rules are, and this is what it looks like when you don't behave. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.